Okay, so we're getting on to lesson number 3, which is your first peer review. Okay, and the idea here is that you're going to take advantage of the tools on Microsoft Word to give some feedback and maybe some points, suggest some points for improvement. Okay, so before we get started, it's a good idea to kind of know your way a little bit about some things on Microsoft Word anyway. Right now, one of the new features on it is that it's already got an editor on it. Okay, so if you go up here to the top right hand corner, you've got this little editor thing. Okay, so you should be able to double click on that and it'll open up a little editor window. And so far it's given me 23 suggestions, 6 spelling mistakes. So clearly I've made some spelling errors here. So it's probably a good idea for you to go through these ones first yourselves. I've got lots of grammar mistakes, and I'm sure you'll have lots of these things on your own storyline, no matter what it is. Stories don't run in the same way as normal text, so sometimes you'll have lots and lots of grammar errors. Then down here, it's given me some suggestions for clarity. I seem to be okay. Conciseness, it's given me a bunch of suggestions here as well. So it's pulling up this different sentences throughout my text and seeing whether or not I want to change them. Okay, so it's a good idea to go from there and maybe have a run through the editor ones first before you get your peer feedback. Okay, so you've gone through your editor suggestions and hopefully you've made some adjustments there. The next thing, if you have a look across the top ribbon there, you've got a tab called Review. So if I click on Review, it's going to give me the option to put in comments. So what I would do here is I've got a highlighted piece of text here, and I'm just going to add a comment. And I'm going to say this is, please fix sentence. Okay, so then that's your suggestion put in on the text itself. Okay, so you're giving specific feedback to your peers about the storyline or the different parts. You're not actually just saying, oh, it's really good, or oh, it's really bad. You're saying, well, here's a little mistake, you need to fix that. Okay, and you can just, all you gotta do, if you want to put in another one here, I can just highlight it, click it again, just say, please use your own words. Okay, so that's my comment to myself about that. So that's all you gotta do. You just gotta go through the person's story and highlight the piece that you think might be wrong, or there might be a mistake on, or something like that. Highlight that very, very specifically and just say, maybe you could rephrase this or something like that. Okay. So always very important to give suggestions, but don't be harsh on your peers because you can offend people very, very easily. Okay. So please don't offend one another. This is supposed to be about learning from each other. Okay. Best of luck with this project, guys.